Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the problem 15 to the power of 50 over 3 to the power of 25. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by rewriting this as 15 to the power of 25 plus 25. So we wrote 50 as 25 plus 25 over 3 to the power of 25. And the reason I did this is because now I can use the property a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So in this case, 15 to the power of 25 plus 25 is going to equal 15 to the power of 25 times 15 to the power of 25. And I have this over 3 to the power of 25. And now this is equal to 15 to the power of 25 times 15 to the power of 25 over 3 to the power of 25, which is equal to 15 to the power of 25 times 15 over 3 to the power of 25. And this is equal to 15 to the power of 25 times 5 to the power of 25. Now another property of exponents is that if I have something from a to the power of m times b to the power of m, this is equal to a times b to the power of m. So this is going to equal 15 times 5 to the power of 25, which is equal to 75 to the power of 25. So this is my answer. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation k times k times k plus k is equal to 30. So obviously I want to find the value of k in this equation. So to start off, k times k times k is the same thing as k to the power of 3. So like k to the power of 3 plus k is equal to 30. And now I'm going to subtract 30 on both sides. So I get k to the power of 3 plus k minus 30 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to rewrite this as k to the power of 3 plus k minus 27 minus 3 is equal to 0. And 27 is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3. So I get k to the power of 3 plus k minus 3 to the power of 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, this is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So this is equal to k minus 3 times k squared plus 3k plus 3 squared, which is 9. And we can't forget our plus k minus 3 at the end, which is this part right here. And this is equal to 0. So now, because both of these terms have k minus 3 in them, I can factor out k minus 3. So I get k minus 3 times k squared plus 3k plus 9 plus 1, because k minus 3 divided by k minus 3 is 1, is equal to 0. So this turns into k minus 3 times k squared plus 3k plus 10 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to divide this into two different equations. I have k minus 3 equals 0, and k squared plus 3k plus 10 is equal to 0. So for k minus 3 equals 0, I can add 3 on both sides. So I get k is equal to 3. So this is one solution of k. And for k squared plus 3k plus 10 equals 0, because this is a quadratic equation, I can use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, a is 1, b is 3, and c is 10. So I get k equals negative 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 9, minus 4, times a, which is 1, times c, which is 10, all over 2a, so 2 times 1. So now this is equal to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 40 over 2, which is equal to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 31 over 2. And I can rewrite this as negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 31i over 2, because I is equal to the square root of negative 1. So this is 2 more solutions of k. So these are my 3 solutions.